Ladies and gentlemen, hi, welcome back. So this is ta-da, my store in Zazzle. I have named it Best Pupil. I have two others, by the way, and you can see my wonderful name here. But that's not I'm going here today. I'm going to show how I make a product. So mostly that. So you can see I use different patterns here. And you can see the good and bad. Oh, this got discontinued. The purple one is discontinued. I can move them over to my KDP. So if you want to check that out too, I'll go further into that. But first, I am going to make another clipboard. So I'm going to do, there's two ways to do that, of course. Oh, yes, again, the pocketbooks have been discontinued. Let me see. Okay, here you can see I did clipboard already, so you click your image here. Okay, it's gonna take some time to load. Take some time to load. It usually loads onto another page. Oh, okay, it just loaded. I know you can see it. Your image is here. So my computer's kind of slow sometimes when it comes to this stuff. Yeah. So we have front, left, back, right, and angled. Okay, so I'm gonna add an image. You can add a text too as well, but I'm just gonna add an image. Yes. And I will try to do both. Hold on. Okay, so you can see my various random stuff here. So I'm gonna use mine for making colors. It has to be a certain size, though. I cannot recall what size right now, but it will tell you if you're in the wrong size. So, of course, you move this up here. You can see the little image. That's what I love about Zazzle. You can see how it will look. All right. Also, oh, actually, my bad. I accidentally clicked the drag and drop tool. I'll get there soon. Okay. So this is what it looks like here. And so I'm just gonna click here and let's see how it looks from here. Hold on 1 second. And I can always stretch it by click, drag to resize. I'm just giving an example. I can resize the entire thing. Or, okay, it gets the preview. You can see it from the different angles. The back is going to be blank in this case. So if you want to zoom in properly, just press this little thing right here. And you can see a zoom in, left, right, back, blank for the time being. Now get to back and angled. So voila, I just created a Jamaican version of a clipboard. Okay, so we're going to go to layers and we're going to go to back. And this, you guys can see the back. You can do two things. You can go back to the front by clicking the front on the layers panel. Then right click on your mouse and press copy and then right click and you paste. There you go. Or let's undo this. There's another way too, as well. You can always go to the front. And oh, sorry. I'm seeing the other way right now. I don't remember the other way. Oh, right. The other way is that you can do the process again by going back to elements. I'm sorry, not elements. Your background or the icon. Icon. Oh, sorry, my files. Oh gosh, okay. And do the same process again to see if it's there. And you can see if you want to do a different color and stuff. Or you can actually import a color tool as well from upload images. But we're not doing that today. We're just going to do it now. Because I have no images to import right now. So or fourthly, there's another one. Or this is three. Okay. They can always click here black, and then you can always create a square from the elements and do the same color again. So you can go here, remove the border color, and put it the same color. That's the downside about this is that they don't really give you a color per se, and then you can duplicate it again by clicking the duplicate button. Hmm. I don't remember if in this one because unlike other stuff, you can duplicate. Oh no. Can't do that. Well, see, so I have to do another square by itself. All right. Let's see. Or I can copy and paste too as well. But I don't want to lose the pattern I had from before. So I'm not going to copy and paste right now. And then they put the color of green. Oh, okay. They usually have this here too as well, though. They have the colors for your program whatsoever is supposed to pop up. That's weird. And I think it's time to load. It's frozen? Oh, okay, thank God. I think it was having a problem right here. So you can always create it from scratch too as well. So if you already have a color from beforehand, you can do it as well too. But make sure when it comes to the border, because this is one of those squares that has borders. All shapes in here besides the triangle has a border. Yeah, except for the circle, sorry. Triangle might have a border too, but not too much. And then this will be your new platform. Sorry, not platform, a new pattern. And then you'll click done. And so your front part would have the actual gradient, but your back part right here, Mr. This would have the picture that you just placed or designed. So you have to make sure it's lined up though, because you don't want to find out that you ordered the thing and it's not designed properly. So that's mean that I haven't ordered from here yet, no. But I'm just saying it happens sometimes. When time everybody knows when you order something, you think you get it the right way, but you don't. So you can always name it clipboard up here. You can just name it Jamaican flag clip. No matter what though, it will always put the name of the product there. So yes, you cannot change the price though unless you go here in select. But either way, they're still gonna have the same price here. So let's do it from here. You can see that it's the office flag. I can see it. You have to change the option though. Like you can go here and pick the front part. Okay? Because that is very important. If you want to see people, that means you want your customers to see the angle or the best angle for it, then yes, that will be up to you at what angle you think is best. My advice you though, don't create something like this though, because the thing is that you should create it cohesively, because it just look very tacky after a while if you have two different shadings for their product. So it's best to actually do that. So I'm gonna just doing an example out there, but it's how you can do it. You can name it from there, or you can edit here and just rename it here too, which I'm not going to do. And then you give it a description. So if the description, which is automatically going to be there, by the way, you can give further description like I created this for children or whatever, yada yada. So you have to put a description. It's mandatory. You can see there. Please enter description. So this could be for your family or a special day, yeah, for your country of Jamaica. Let's give an example. Then after, oh, I forgot I have that. Thank God for that. Okay, a special day for your country in Jamaica. In Jamaica. Okay, so I don't know why I didn't correct that part. Anywho, so after that, we can go here. Now we reach the events and occasions. We select. Again, this is up to you if you want to put for holiday. Okay, I guess. But this is mostly geared towards American holidays, though. Okay, I thought it was left Canadian there. That was Jamaica. Anyway, it doesn't matter. And it's 24th of July. So, mostly, or occasion, you can just say occasion. Typical occasions are right here. You'll find it. Or other. Others are curtain days or everyday historical days, special days, stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Nope, it's not here either. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I might just have to skip this for the time being. But it's up to you which categories you want to put it or occasions. Of course, go to the recipients, so anybody for her, for him, kids, pets, for them. So like children, couples, families, stuff like that. I will leave you to read. I'm just going through this generally. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pick for anyone. So especially, let me see. Okay, and you're gonna now have a category. For me, I already have created my category, but usually people create new ones. You can always put a name, but I already kind of have a category. So maybe I should try a new product. This time, but this is already a product that has already been categorized. Okay, that I'll be able to categorize immediately. So I will change. Okay, it's gonna take some time because it goes for a list, and I have clipboards here already. So I'll click OK. Then I'll click the making the one. I put some tags in other words. It's pretty slow today. My computer. This is awkward. Okay, acquire the Jamaica. Add the tags. So it takes some time. Yeah, I think my thing is frozen today for some reason. That's very awkward. That's weird. Yes, it is frozen. Oh, wait, it's coming now. Oh, okay, that was awkward. Right, so we're gonna type in like Jamaica, Tama, okay, flag of Jamaica, Caribbean. Yeah, usually you're gonna see that too, but in this case, my thing is not responding. It's been very slowly. Anyway, so I go back down here. So we have suitable our product, and if direct only usually is that if you have a customer base and you want only them to see it. So yeah. Well, also hidden is the same thing too as well. Yes, but hidden is that you can decide whether or not your customer base wants to see it or not. Same thing, but unlike direct only, which will only direct to one set of group, the hidden only can be only you can see it. In other words, yes, you can see it right here too as well. So okay, maybe I should rephrase that. I am sorry. Okay, so you have three options for product visibility. You have public, everyone can see it, hidden only you can see, and direct only. So public is everybody, but then when you have direct only, only a certain group of people can see this. But when you have hidden, only you can see. It also can be shown to as well. This okay, you can show it to as well when you decided to show it to people. Yeah, but mostly it's for you only, so you can only see. You can only see it, but at the same time, you can still show it to certain people too as well. Yes, so you can send a link to the person you want to show it to. But I think they have to be in a circle. I'm not too well because I have never used this option yet. But mostly only you can see it though. Yes, honestly, especially towards you, and then that's where direct only comes into play too as well. So that's mostly it. I think it's that, or as it says, just only you can see it. So yeah, cool. And you'll say if you can customize it, yes or no, because you can change it, the person. So the thing is that the price doesn't totally change unless you change it. So you say you want 12%, for example. It was going to calculate how much you will get out of the 12%, which is the 565. Because this part right here, the $47.12, is going to be for you're not purchasing, you're making the product, all of the manufacturing, in other words. It's all that. And probably the publishing thing. So I'm not too sure. I will give it a 10. Very costly though, so that's kind of that. So some part means that you should just make yourself food. Anyway, that's a good one. So I was like post it, and you'll see a 24 hours to decide whether or not to change it or not, because they will be there permanently. So now we reach congratulations. And give it the same message. So if you want to see a new product, you can email it to your friends so you can see it. Okay, directly. Or just generally. And the address here on Zazzle will pop up. So that would be the thing for them to see. Based on your own website, if your website and if your store, then you refer to other stores to address to as well. So use your store. And you customize your store, and you can just go back and see my product, or create another clipboard, which I'm going to do later on, or I may right now. And then I'm going to see the product and see how it is. Okay. So here's the product here. And here we're going to look at the back. However, I don't like it the way it is because I am a cohesive person. So I might change the back to what is at the front. Yeah. So that is mostly it. Come back here. So I can always just click all, say select all, delete. Alright. I'll be selecting control plus A and I hold down the control and I press E. And then afterwards, I would go back here to the back and go back to the front, sorry. Copy and then go to the back here, back here, edit this and remove the background. It's gonna take some time. It's supposed to be transparent. Okay. It's okay, it's taking some time here. Oh, there we go. And then I paste. And it's gonna take some time to paste. Yes, this is gonna take some time to paste. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna go back here again. Go to the front. Oh, there it is. That's this there. I do not know why it's going so slow. Alright, so now I'm gonna click on this again and see the difference. Alright. And yeah, now I officially have the Jamaican flag clipboard. So you can always edit it afterwards, but it's between the 24 hours. And also, you always get a code discount off with a certain code, a certain discount off the current code. So yeah, and you get 10% royalties for it. It will affect the price though. As you can see, it's $46.10. You can always edit it to as well in the sell it, or if it pop up to as well, because it's still in the 24 hours, so you can always say sell it, and that's where it changes to as well. So you can always say I want 20%, for example. Let me say 20, and then you'll get $9.85, and that was a clipboard. But of course, it depends on you. Yeah, but leave it there and see how it goes. The downside is it that it's very costly to do all of that because then it includes shipping and handling also to it as well. So that's the thing. I assume that they have to make the product, pay for the product, and then afterwards they will ship it towards your customer if they don't want purchasing it. So I assume so. Anybody else could say it's different. And oh, give me a minute. Let me check this out. So that's mostly it. Oh, and happy Mother's Day if it has just recently left and in the month of April. And I hope you guys all enjoyed your Mother's Days. I'm going to end it here, signing out.